Hello, once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I want to thank you and welcome you to the, we're going to call this the best trade of the week today. Once again, you can reach here currently at knightcapitalmanagement.blogspot.com. You can also reach my blog at knightcapitalmanagement.com. Please feel free to subscribe. We're spam free here. I'm not going to sell or spam you. We just scroll down a little bit so you can read this. Sign up to receive your free ebook, The Complete Guide to Day Trading by Marcus Highcutter. There is also other thing you can learn about the what's going on currently on the futures ATM project that I'm working on, and also get details, a little bit more details about the live day trading chat room as well. So go ahead and put your name, email, as much as you'd like to share with me. Push the submit button. You'll get another email in the mail. Go ahead and approve that. It's through AWeber service, and you get onto the subscription email list. The trade we're going to talk about today was Wednesday. The ES spike reversal failure at major support. And this is the trade that we're going to look at today. We're going to look at this particular market, how we played this one, and how this all shaped out to be what ended up being a nice little trade here on this spike reversal failure here, and then carrying forward down here to the 900 level. That was the level that we were looking for. Yeah, I guess you could say intentionally we're looking for a retest to the 900 level. Now, another way you can catch some of my videos and all in one place is here at YouTube, youtube.com. My username is TradeCraze, TradeCraze. You can actually look at all of the my video content. You know, just come over here and press uploads, and that'll show you all the videos that I've done over this last year. We're coming up to Father's Day, and I want to wish everybody happy Father's Day once again. Last year, this is about the same time that I started my blog and also started video recording as well. So if you want to go back and look at my progression as a trader, my very first video is down here with my boys and all from June 14th, and that was last year around Father's Day weekend. I want to wish everybody a happy Father's Day weekend again as well. So let's talk a little bit more about the Forex Factory here. Okay, and we're looking at the current week being June 21st through June 27th. This is the trading week that we're looking at. Sunday, obviously, we're not trading Sunday. Monday, nothing really happening. We got the ECB president in the market at 8 o'clock a.m., a little before I start trading around 8:20 a.m. Eastern Time. On Tuesday, we got a bunch of European reports coming out. Lots of action. This could be pretty huge. All before, look at this. All this is before the stock market opens up, or the bond market opens up in the U.S. Now, as far as the U.S. goes, we got we got the president here speaking, the European exchange here. You got existing home sales at 10 o'clock a.m. So this looks like it's going to be a very busy Tuesday. This is going to be I'm going to put a question mark on this right here. This could be a nice movement trending day, or this could be a whole bunch of nothing day, depending upon how the reports all come out. Okay, so let's look at the rest of the week. We got Wednesday, June 24th here. Once again, we got a lot of red reports happening. This is going to be your busy day right here. 8:30 a.m. core durable goods. 9:30 we have the inflation report hearings on in Britain, United Kingdom. You have the U.S. sales at 10 a.m. Crude oil inventories here at 10:30, and a whole bunch of reports. And also, more importantly, we have the FOM statement and the federal funds rate. The FOMC meeting is on Wednesday. Sometimes it's best to stay out of the market until after the release of the Fed funds rate at 2:15. If I was playing, the way I'm going to play this day is look for a quick pop trade here in this market, maybe have the crude oil inventories off of that trade itself, but certainly we're going to be looking for economic report trades on Wednesday, not trying to catch a trend basically in the stock indices, as most likely that market will be extremely difficult to trade until after the federal fund rates. There's not really much they can do as far as the rates. As you can see, they can only go down to 0 basically, or 0.125. But the how their stance in the market is going to be what's important, where they expect the market to go. On Thursday, our last trading day of the week, we have unemployment claims at 8:30 and 10 a.m. Here you can see Federal Chairman Bernanke is testifying. This will round up our trading week. This could be a very nice end of the month trading week. I would advise not to trade past the 25th of June and let the rest of the month go by. Okay, so for the last 5 minutes, let's talk about this trade right here, about 4 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and fast forward to the entry point, and we'll talk about the early entry point. Here's our entry point here. We're going to talk about this spike reversal bar and the failure here at major support. I want to take a look at this market right here. The volume was really good here. An early entry right here basically was a break-even trade, and this trade right here was the one that failure to reach up here and continue this spike reversal above the major support. Let us go ahead and move short and take this trade down to the 900 mark. So here's how we set up the trade. We got in here at 906. We had a 2-point stop here at 908. Now that's above the market on the spike reversal bar, so we were forcing the market to move up here past the major support and also get higher than the support bar here on the spike reversal bar at 906, get up through 908, and that would have proved us wrong. So we're willing to risk 2 points on this trade. We're looking to get our first contract off at 903 and the second contract off here at the round number 900. We expected some form of support at the 900 level. So let's go ahead and fast forward the tape real quick and let's take a look at the action. So 1 minute tick bars here, action here in 1 minute bars. So this is a bunch of fill here in between the 1 minute. You can see we hung out here at the 906, 907, right around this area. This could have just as easily been stopped out, but we're taking the trend into effect. We'll look at the trend in just a minute and why this is such a nice trade to get in. Here's our break. Here's our fill at 903. Right there. Let me stop the tape. Okay, we have one contract off right here at 903. I had to rezoom this feature so you can see the breakdown here to 900. This level right here, a very strong number to reach. We're moving towards it, and we expect some form of support and resistance at this level. In this case, we're looking for support and then a bounce off of it. I guess you could have traded the 900 level and reversed your position later on the day if you would look at this particular market here. That's pretty much was the bottom for a while and then continued to move up from this point. Low right now is 900.25. Could have considered to get out here earlier. Let me pause it. So here's our second exit here at 1045 roughly. 1044 area. We reached the 900 level. The open next bar opened up lower, and this is the bar that pretty much made the end of the down movement, and you saw it continue to move up. This particular trade here, first contract off was worth $150, and your second contract for 6 points was worth $300. The combined total trade on this particular trade was $450. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I want to wish you all the best. I wanted to take one quick look at the overall trend. 1 second here. Here's the trend line that I was working with during the trading day, and you can see that this contained the trend line. The overall trend was down as we moved down to the 900 level here once again and kind of bounced off it. Now this is Wednesday, June 17th on the ES market, their eMini S&P. Once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I wish you all the best in your trading. A good trading, everyone. If you ever need to get in contact with me, contact me at TradeCraze@gmail.com. Thank you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.